everyone, it's Kristy here from KristyCoromandel.com and welcome to this month's class kit to go. This month we are featuring the Free as a Bird stamp set. This is a great stamp set. I love the imagery that's in here. We can do some colouring, you can do so much with it, and these are the projects that we are working on this month. So we've got some great techniques here. We've got some stamp and blends. We're going to be using the colour lifter here to create little shading with our bird. We've got some basic stamping techniques with this one, and we're going to create a watercolour wash background right here. Plus we've got our little treat box. Now we have 4 options for you. The first one is the all-inclusive kit, which will include the Free as a Bird stamp set, plus you'll get a bolt of the lace ribbon trim right here. You'll have the project materials to create these 5 projects here. These will include all of the embellishments and all the die cuts will be included, the cardstock. You'll get a PDF handout and an online class so you can watch video tutorials on how to create these projects. You'll also have the option to add on the nested dies right here at a 10% discount. Now this whole class kit here, including shipping, is $67 right to your doorstep. Now option number 2 is for those who already have the Free as a Bird stamp set. You can purchase the consumable items to create these projects at home. So I will send you all these, the cardstock, the ribbon, the embellishments, all the die cuts even, all the embossed images right for you. And that kit is at $27. The third option is the online version. So maybe you live internationally or you're a demonstrator yourself, you can order the online class, which will have the online video tutorials, plus the PDF handouts and any templates that you need. You get instant access to that for $17. And the fourth and final option is for my team, the Art of Simple. And they receive free access to the online class for this here as a perk for being a member of my team. Now, close off for the all-inclusive kit and the class kit is the 13th of September. And your items will be shipped to you on the 23rd of September. So it gives me enough time to order your products, cut and prep everything and post it all out to you. So you'll find the links below in this blog post, or if you're watching this on YouTube, then go across to KristyCoromandel.com and you'll find the details there. Have a great week everybody, and I look forward to seeing you in class.